many of you are wondering, who are the Enactus team at American International College?
We are student leaders made up of all majors and ages, and we have joined forces to transform our community.
We are a diverse team.
We empower the community by creating projects and businesses in order to increase value.
We work side by side with individuals, families, and businesses.
We empower them to transform their own lives.
We give hope to the hopeless. We create homes for the homeless. We teach people how to catch opportunities from the sea of possibilities.
We believe in the power of life.
One life to lead millions out of the dark.
The people we teach others, and the people we train others. As this cycle of empowerment continues, we give hope to ensure a brighter future.
We believe in teamwork.
We believe in shared responsibility. We all have a piece of the puzzle. Together we are one.
No member is better than another. We're different, but we're special. There's no I in team,
but there's an us in Enactus.